Hello and welcome everybody. Quick update today about this build with vintage Raleigh Voyager. Everything was stripped down, as you see guys, it's basic naked frame. I opened the bottom bracket and re-greased the same with the headset. A couple bits is restored, like front wheel, stem, seat post, both front and rear mech, crankside pedals, shifters. So basically at the moment the plan is to sort it out rear wheel, and after then put it crankset, front mech, rear mech, cockpit, and I'm closing the project. Today is really nice weather, sunshine and warm, excellent working outside, and that's what the plan for. Not much left on the frame. So thank you very much and see you in part 3. Happy cycling guys.